Hi friends, today I am going to sing to you from the book There Was a Man and He Was Mad. There was a man and he was mad, so he jumped into a paper bag, but that paper bag was oh so thin, so he jumped onto the tip of a pin. The tip of the pin was very sharp, so he jumped onto an Irish harp, but that Irish harp was very pretty. So he jumped onto the back of a kitty. That little kitty began to scratch. So he jumped onto the cabbage patch, but that cabbage patch was way too big. So he jumped onto the back of a pig. The little pig began to tickle, so he jumped onto the big dill pickle, but that big dill pickle was oh so sour. So he jumped onto the big sunflower. Then along came the bee and stung him on the chin, and that was the end of him. See you next time.